Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Niamtu, LoveThatFace.com, and today we're going to talk about Pelleve, which is made by the Ellman company. It's their non-surgical radiofrequency skin tightening system. Now, I have a surgical practice, so all day long I'm doing facelifts, eyelid surgery, laser, cheek implants, and the traditional surgical things. But all day long my staff is doing Pelleve treatments, and these are treatments. This is not going to give you a surgical result, but it's more of a spa type treatment for people that don't have enough for surgery, or they can't take time off, or they're not healthy enough for surgery, and they want nice subtle changes in their skin. So what does this do? Well, it uses deep heat through radio wave frequency, which stimulates new collagen, and basically it's a firming and tightening procedure. It feels great. It's very relaxing. Usually we're in our spa room and we have the lights down and a candle burning and some nice music on, and patients like it. And again, this is not a procedure where you overpromise, but it's a procedure that we do frequently, and it makes a difference, and it's popular in our practice. One of the great things about it is my staff can do this while I'm doing something else. So my staff is in charge of the Pelleve, and patients are coming in and out all day and having these types of treatments. So basically, Ginger is going to be performing a Pelleve treatment here, and what happens is the patients present to the office, and we'll have them scrub their face in the sink, get all their makeup, take off any jewelry. And Ginger, you want to tell us a little bit about what you're going to do here?
Once the skin is clean, they will lay back in a comfortable position in a chair, and we will start by applying the cooling gel. It serves as a conductor with this type of treatment on the skin. You apply a thin layer of it in the areas that you're going to start with. We'll start with the forehead.
And this is Ellman's gel, right? That comes with the machine, or we purchase from them. All right, very good.
We are actually going to use their wand. These are disposable wands, so you can get one for each individual person's treatment session of 3 to 4 sessions.
Okay.
And to get started, the setting is going to be at 10. They give you some guided settings to start with.
All right.
As you do this for your patient and you do numerous passes, you can raise the setting or lower the setting based on what the patient feels and needs. So we're going to start by using a circular pattern on the forehead, kind of up and down in a tight circular pattern for a couple minutes.
And is there an end point? Are you looking for any given skin tightening, or how many passes are you doing, just for people that haven't used this, a little bit of guidance?
We start out with 3 passes. I take a look at the actual need of the patient as far as the aging in the skin, more lines, more wrinkles. Sometimes 4 passes is good. And then they need to do a minimum of 3 sessions.
Okay. So Ginger, how many sessions do you do, and how long do you wait between sessions?
We will actually do 3 passes to her skin at 1 session. She needs to do 3 sessions. On the average, most patients do 3 sessions. And with that, they do them 30 days apart. So
3 sessions, 30 days apart. All right. And we'll ask our patient, what does this feel like right now?
Warm. Just warm.
So
Very relaxing.
Feels warm. Now, Ginger, when you adjust the settings, do you do it just under the pain threshold, or how do you figure out your optimum setting? I mean, I know you start with the company settings.
We start with the company settings. I try to make sure that the patient is comfortable. And one of the products that they provide with the Pelleve is the mini thermometers, so you can check the temperature in the skin. And after the first pass, you definitely want the skin to be at 38 to 40 degrees when you are monitoring the amount of heat that's going below the surface.
All right, and that's basically a digital thermometer in centigrade, and I think you have to heat the collagen to about 38 to 40 degrees, or heat the skin to get the collagen reaction that we're looking for. And about how long does the treatment take?
It takes about 35 to 40 minutes.
All right, so we're going to zoom in here and watch you do this. And when you work on an area like that, how many passes are you doing?
I'm actually going to do 3 passes, and I break the face up into segments as I'm doing this.
Okay, very good. And again, this is a pretty relaxing feeling for the patients. I think some patients would come in and do it if it didn't give them any skin tightening. It feels good. It's kind of like a hot stone massage in some respect. All right, so any other pointers? Are there areas, Ginger, that are problem areas or sensitive areas? I guess over bone probably is a...
The bony areas, typically they feel the heat sensation a little bit stronger. Sometimes it's more irritating. This does a great job for the patient where they see results in their first session is around the lips, this perioral area, and along the jawline is where they notice the skin tightening the most, typically on their first.
Are there areas that you don't use it?
I actually...
You can use it on the lower lids?
You can use it on the lower lids, the upper lids if you put the shields in the eyes.
Okay, the plastic shields.
Correct.
Okay, and have you ever had a burn or any problems, any complications with it?
No complications with it. Some people do turn a lot redder from the process, but that settles down in about 15 or 20 minutes after the treatment.
All right, very good. And so obviously we just do head and neck surgery here, but Ellman has a unit now to use on the body. And so this is our Pelleve, Ellman's radio wave non-surgical skin tightening. Thank you for our patient. Thank you, Ginger. For lovethatface.com, this is Dr. Joe Niamtu.